Vocie challenge time. So, if you are the oldest child, you have short hair. If you are the middle child, you have middle length hair. And if you are the youngest child, you have long hair. It doesn't really matter what hair you choose. I'm just going to go with this. And now for the hair color, if you were born in winter, you make it any type of blue. If you're born in summer, you put it any type of yellow, orange, or red. For spring, purple, pink. For fall, all the fall colors like brown, red, orange, and yellow. So go ahead and just do that. There we go. For the highlight color, just make it a lighter color of what you chose and then choose any highlight. I personally would go for this. Now you can choose any of the eyes. Doesn't really matter. I'm just gonna go with this one. Go move them down a little. Now, for the color, if you were born in winter, you have to do red. If you were born in summer, you have to do blue. And then if you were born in fall, you have to do pink. If you were born in spring, you have to do orange. And you can do whatever to like. And for the skin color, it has to be your favorite color. Doesn't matter which shade it is, really. But it just has to be your favorite color. Now, for accessories, you can choose whatever middle accessory you want, and I want this one because I really like those.